Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Hi friends, welcome to Princy's Authentic Kitchen. Today I'll be making a very spicy Sri Lankan mutton curry and I will show you the ingredients what you need. 500 grams of mutton, goat meat, medium onion sliced, 5 green chili sliced, curry leaves, pandan leaves or rampa, half a lime or lemon, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 cardamom and 2 small sticks of cinnamon. Grind that to powder. Powder the 2 cardamom and the cinnamon. 3 teaspoons of curry powder. This is Jaffna curry powder. 2 tablespoons of oil. Salt for your taste. I have 2 tablespoons of oil heating in this pan. Go ahead and add the onions. Green chili. The curry leaf. Rampa or pandan leaf. Add the garlic and ginger paste. Just let this saute in here for about a couple of minutes. The onions have been sauteing for about 4 minutes now, just lightly brown. Go ahead and add the goat meat and add salt for your taste. Mix this up really well and cover the lid and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. Make sure, guys, it has to be on medium heat if you want your meat to be nice and tender. So I'm going to go ahead and put my lid on and then cook it for at least 15 minutes on medium heat. Okay guys, so it's been about 15 minutes cooking on medium heat. This is, I haven't added no water into this. This is the water from the goat meat. So just stir it up. So I got the chili powder. This is the Jaffna chili powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this and just give it a good mix. You don't have to add no water to this, but if you like it more gravy, you can add some water. But I don't normally add water for this recipe. So give it a good mix, put the lid back on, and just put the heat below medium, so between low and medium, and let it cook for at least another 20 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been 20 minutes. It's been cooking for 20 minutes. Just check your salt. You can add in the cinnamon and cardamom powder. Let this simmer. Don't cover it, just let it simmer for another couple of minutes, maybe 3 minutes. So it's been 3 minutes. I shut off the heat. I'm gonna go ahead and add the lime, the half a lime. And just give it a good mix. Alright guys, so this is it. I have plated it. It's very easy, simple, delicious recipe. You guys should try it. And if you guys like my video, please hit like. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments. Till then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.